Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to see how to change the engine air filter on a 2023 Toyota Rav4. Step 1, simply open the hood, open the latch this way. Step 3, secure the hood. Now, here is the air box that we're going to change the filter in. To remove this air box, we need to do one of two things first. First, we need to slightly disassemble this wire, and the way to do that is a little pin here. If you notice, push this pin that way slightly, and then you can push it up and it comes off. Same, do this, push this pin up, this little tab up, and slide it so the wire is loose so that you have room to undo this lid. Now there are two clips, retainer clips. There's one here and then there's one here, two aluminum clips. You see this one, simply pop it open that way, and this one pop it open this way. Now everything is out. You just need to quickly wiggle this off. Now that we have a loose wire, we have more room to open this. There you go, and there's your air filter. Gently take the air filter out. This looks brand new, so I don't have to change it, but if you do have to change it, it's good to change every 30,000 miles. And I'll put the link in the description for this air filter, between $15 to $20. You can get one. If you go to the dealer, they'll charge you $100 for this, and you can simply slide the new one in, and the rubber always faces up. There's no other direction in terms of it only fits one way. So you put that in and make a good seal with the rubber. Before I put that in here, if you see any leaves in that bottom, just vacuum them out. That way you have a clean filter to start with, and there's no leaves there or debris there. All right, so it's well seated there, no movement. Now we put everything back the same way we took off. So over here, if you notice, there is a notch here with a hole, and then there is a tab here. So this hinges down there, this mates down there. Put that side first, back first, and then wiggle and slide the front in. That way it's nice and tight seal. Then you can take this and clamp this and clamp the second one as well. It should easily clamp. If you're having problems clamping this, it's not aligned properly, redo this and it'll seat properly. And that's about it. Once you're done, congratulations, you've saved yourselves about $100, $50 to $100 in terms of going to the dealer versus doing it yourself. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like. And there is also a cabin air filter change on this very same car that is posted as well. So go look at that. You can save another $50, $100 on that. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.